Welcome back, tech lovers. Today, we're exploring the OnePlus Open, a foldable phone that is designed for everything and built for everyone. With a jaw-dropping design, a pro-level camera, and advanced tech, this foldable beauty is built to amaze. Stick around, because we're about to explore why the OnePlus Open might just be the most revolutionary device of the year. The OnePlus Open is designed with top-notch materials, including titanium alloy and carbon fiber, making it incredibly durable yet ultralight at just 239 grams. It's 4 times stronger than surgical-grade steel and fits comfortably in your hand, offering pro sizing in a foldable format. Talking about the display. The OnePlus Open boasts dual ProXDR displays. The main display is a 7.82-inch flexi-fluid AMOLED with a peak brightness of 2800 nits and an impressive 426 pixels per inch. The cover screen is equally stunning, supporting Dolby Vision and delivering beautiful, cinematic visuals even in direct sunlight. With the open canvas feature, OnePlus takes multitasking to new heights. With this larger display, you can split apps, drag and drop across screens, and navigate smoothly between tasks. The OnePlus Open camera system is taking mobile photography to new heights. The 48-megapixel main sensor, with its revolutionary pixel stack design, captures twice the light for crisp, vibrant details, even in the darkest scenes. For distant shots, the 64-megapixel OmniVision telephoto sensor, with 3x optical and 6x in-sensor zoom, lets you capture moments from afar with uncompromised quality. Finally, the 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 114 degrees field of view opens up your frame, letting you capture expansive landscapes and group shots with ease. This lens, with a 3.5 cm macro feature, also excels in close-ups, bringing minor details into focus. Take a moment to look at the colors. Choose your style with the OnePlus Open, available in 2 stunning colors, Emerald Dusk and Voyager Black. Each hue is designed to reflect your personality while offering a sophisticated finish that complements its sleek design. Let's talk about the battery. The OnePlus Open packs a 4,805 mAh battery, supporting 67-watt SUPERVOOC fast charging. You can go from 1 to 100% in just 42 minutes, making it one of the fastest charging foldables on the market. Experience top-tier performance with the OnePlus Open, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and 16GB of RAM. Enjoy smooth multitasking, lightning-fast app launches, and an optimized experience with OxygenOS 13.2. Whether you're gaming or streaming, expect seamless performance without any hiccups. Talking about the storage, you can store all your essentials effortlessly with up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Enjoy rapid access to your files and apps, ensuring you never run out of space for your favorite memories, games, and work projects. As far as speakers are concerned, the sound quality is often overlooked in foldable devices, but not with the OnePlus Open. Equipped with multispatial speakers, this phone goes beyond stereo sound, creating an all-encompassing audio experience with spatial audio. It's perfect for movies, games, and any moment when immersive sound is the key. Engineered for extreme durability, the OnePlus Open is TÜV Rheinland certified for reliable folding up to 1 million times. With drop resistance from 1.0 m and temperature tested at 75 degrees Celsius, this phone is built to withstand the rigors of everyday life. Stay connected with dual 5G support and Wi-Fi 7, ensuring lightning-fast internet speeds wherever you go. The OnePlus Open truly opens up a world of possibilities with cutting-edge design, powerful multitasking, exceptional camera quality, and robust performance. Check out the OnePlus Open and see how it can redefine your digital life. If you like this review, give us a thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews. The OnePlus Open, elevate your perspective.